I received this salad spinner from Greenco, and look how nice this is. It's very easy to use, and it's also dishwasher safe as well. And it comes in 3 parts. You have the bottom bowl, you also have this basket, and this is the top. Now, there's 2 ways that you could spin your veggies and fruits. You can either cut your vegetables up and put it in here and then put water inside and leave it for like 4 or 5 minutes and then dump out the water and then spin, or you can just rinse it out in the sink and then put it in here for it just to be dry. So here it is. We're gonna use lettuce so you can see how it works. So I'm going to cut some of my lettuce, just like this. And then I think I'm gonna even cut it up some more. And now I'm going to put it in this basket, just like this. And now I'm going to add some water inside it and let it soak for a few minutes. Of course, you can do this in the sink, but for the video purposes, I'm doing it right here. And there you go. So now it can soak in the water, and that way it's gonna be a lot cleaner. Now, you could also just rinse this out and do it that way as well. Whatever you prefer. Okay, so it's been a few minutes, and now I'm gonna dump out the water and then show you how awesome this spins. Now that I dumped out the water, I'm going to put this lid on and we're going to start spinning our salad. Look at it go. And now we're gonna remove our lid. And wow, look at how much water it took off from spinning. And now our lettuce is nice and drier and crispy too. Perfect. Now, what I could do is dump out the water again and give it a good rinse. And you can even use this as a salad bowl. How perfect is that? And it's so nice that all of these pieces are dishwasher safe as well. Definitely recommend this for all your salad needs. And you can also use this for fruits and other vegetables as well. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.